Hi Essex, this is your video for Tuesday. We are sticking with measurements, but we are moving on today to metres and centimetres. So first of all, I want you to pause the video and think about what kinds of things might you measure with metres and centimetres, and then we'll see what you come up with. So hopefully for things that you could measure with centimetres, we looked at this a little bit yesterday. It's small things, the width of your phone, a book, a table, and then metres is a bit bigger. So metres, you might think about the width of a room or a carpet or height. Now you might also see height in centimetres, and we'll look at that at the end of your task today. So hopefully you've got a few of those, and let us know if you've got any more. Now let's think about the conversions between centimetres and metres. So 1 centimetre is equal to, well, it's 1/100th or 1/100th of a metre. So we could also write that as a decimal because we can do that. So 0.01, it's in my hundredths column. So 1 centimetre is 0.01 of a metre. Let's think about 10 centimetres, so 10 times as big. So now that's 1/10 of a metre or 0.1 of a metre. 10 times bigger again, 100 centimetres is equal to 1 metre. Okay, and that's really crucial to what we're going to be needing today with our conversion. So let's think about converting from metres to centimetres. So in a metre there are 100 centimetres. So if I've got 1 metre and I need to get 1 metre and I need to get to centimetres, then there's 100 times as many centimetres in a metre. So I need to multiply by 100. Then we need to think about the opposite way. So if I'm going from centimetres to metres, I need to do the opposite and divide by 100. Now hopefully you remember that to multiply and divide by 100, you can use a place value grid to help you. So we are moving 2 places to the left to multiply by 100, making it 100 times bigger. And to divide by 100, we're moving all of our digits 2 places to the right to make it 100 times smaller. And I want you to use that conversion and convert these centimetres into metres. So think about what you need to do. So you've got 4 centimetres, 24, 60, 341 and 306 centimetres, and I want those in metres. Now for these two, see if you can write your answer in metres as a decimal and also as metres and centimetres. If you're not sure what I mean, don't worry, we'll go through them in a moment. Remember, we are converting from centimetres to metres. So centimetres to metres, I need to divide by 100. So that's 2 places to the right. 4 centimetres is the same as 0.04 metres. 24 centimetres, so this time I've got a tens, 0.24 metres. Okay, so this one, it's 4/100ths of a metre. 60 centimetres, 0.6 metres. If you've put 0.60, you are correct, but that 0 has absolutely no value. So I could put as many zeros on the end and it wouldn't matter. So all it needs is 0.6 metres. 341 centimetres. So this time I've got hundreds. Now we know that 100 centimetres is the same as a metre. So this, rather than 100 centimetres, I've got 300. So that must be 3 metres. And then left over, 41 centimetres. So when I asked you for metres and centimetres, that's what I mean. This is the same as 3 metres and 41 centimetres. As a decimal, that's nice and easy, because you're dividing it by 100, gives you 3.41 metres, that would be. Same for this one, but I added in the placeholder for this one to make it a bit trickier. So again, you've got hundreds, so 100 centimetres in a metre, so I've got 3 metres, and 6 centimetres, only 6. Because when you convert this into a decimal, divide it by 100, it gives you 3.06 metres. Make sure you're moving all of your digits. Now that placeholder is really, really important because 6 centimetres is 10 times smaller than 60 centimetres. So if you've put 3.60, you're not correct, okay? So make sure you've got your correct place value. This time we're going to do it the opposite way around. So you've got metres, and I want you to convert those into centimetres. I've also given you two over here that are metres and centimetres, but I also want these in centimetre totals, okay? So how many centimetres is the same as 8 metres, 3 centimetres, and how many centimetres is 14 metres, 60 centimetres. So pause the video and then we'll go through the answers. Hopefully you realise that this time, rather than dividing, we're going from metres to centimetres, we're multiplying by 100, because for every metre there is 100 times many centimetres. So 5 metres is equal to 500 centimetres. 7/10 of a metre, so this time we've got 70 centimetres. 4.32 metres, so we talked about this before. 4 whole metres here, so think about this as a decimal, so 4 whole metres is the same as 400 centimetres, leaving us with 320 centimetres, okay? So timesing it by 100, sorry, not 320, 32 centimetres, so it's 432 centimetres in total. Same again with this one, so we've got, different with this one, 36 metres, so timesing it by 100 gives us 3,600 centimetres. And then these, we had to convert them into centimetres. So first of all, I would think about your metres, so 8 metres is the same as 800 centimetres, plus 3 centimetres, and that will give you 803 centimetres. And then the last one, so 14 metres, so you've got to times that by 100, so that's 1,400 centimetres, plus the 60 centimetres, add those together and it gives you 1,460 centimetres. Well done if you got those. That's it for today. With your task, you're going to need these conversions, so if you want to write this down, it might be useful for you. Remember to times and divide by 100, you're moving 2 places on a place value grid, so you could also draw one of those to help you. Now your last question, you've got to put in order some heights that are both in centimetres and metres. So in order to compare these, the first thing you must do is convert them to the same unit of measure. So that means make sure they're all in centimetres or all in metres, and then it will be easy for you to compare them. Again, if you're struggling, put all of the values in a place value grid and decide which one's the biggest to the smallest. Good luck, let us know how you get on.